Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have to evaluate the 12th power of root 2 minus 1 without using calculators. So let's see how we're going to solve this problem, right? Before we proceed, let us take note of the following. We know that x to the power of 12 is equal to x to the power of 2 to the power of 6. Then this is equal to x to the power of 2 in bracket to the power of 2 again in bracket then to the power of 3, right? We can check it out. We know that 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12, right? And even this 6 right over here is the product of these 2 and 3. We know this property that a to the power of b in bracket to the power of c is equal to a to the power of b times c. So now, let's go back to the original problem. So we're going to let x equal root 2 minus 1, right? Then we're going to follow this, right? Okay, so let's find x squared. So x squared will be equal to root 2 minus 1 squared. So this is going to be equal to, let's make use of this identity. We know that a minus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So using this property, so this is going to be root 2 squared plus 1 squared minus 2 times root 2 times 1. So from here, x squared is equal to root 2 squared. Square will cancel the root sign. So we have 2. Then plus 1 squared is 1 minus 2 root 2, which is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, in our next step, we're going to find the square of x squared. So that is going to be, we know the square of x squared is like this, right? So we're following this pattern here. So this is going to be the square of 3 minus 2 root 2. So using that algebraic identity here, so this is going to be 3 squared plus, we know, 2 root 2 squared minus 2 times 3 times 2 root 2, right? Okay, so here we get x squared, then squared. This is going to be equal to 3 squared is 9 plus, we know that 2 root 2 is same as root 8, right? Or we can do it like this. This 2 squared is 4. Root 2 squared is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So that will give us 8 minus, so this will be 12 root 2, right? Yes. Is that 12 root 2? Let's check it out. Yes, of course, that is 12 root 2. Then this will give us 17 minus 12 root 2. Then our final step now is to cube both sides. We know that the square of x squared cubed will give us our right answer. So we're going to cube both sides. So here we have x squared squared then cubed. So this is going to be the cube of 17 minus 12 root 2, right? So at the right hand side, let us make use of the following algebraic identity. So we know that a minus b cubed, this is equal to a cubed, then minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared, then minus b cubed. So from here, the square of x squared when it is cubed, which is equal to 17 cubed minus 3 multiplied by 17 squared multiplied by 12 root 2. We're following this identity then plus, so this will be 3 times 17 multiplied by, 12 root 2 squared right here. So yes, 3ab squared, so this will be 3 times 17 times 12 root 2 squared. Then we have here minus 12 root 2 cubed, right? So here we have x squared squared cubed. So this will be equal to 17 cubed. So that will give us 4913 minus So here, this will be 3 times 17 squared is well known, that is 289. Then multiply by 12 root 2. Then plus, so we have 3 times 17 from here. 3 times 17 from here, then times, so 12 squared is 144, root 2 squared is 2, so 144 times 2 is 288. Right, then minus, so here 12 cubed will give us 1728, right? Then times root 2 cubed will give us 2 root 2. So this is 2 root 2 from here. Okay, so here we have x squared cubed. So this will be equal to here 4913. Then plus, so the product of 3 and 289 and 12 will give us, what is that going to give us? Well, firstly, let's go to this. 3 times 17 times 288, so that will give us 14688. Then minus here, 3 times 289 times 12. So if you check it well, that will give us 10404 root 2. Then minus here, we have 2 times 1728, right? So that will give us 3456. Then we have root 2. So from here, x squared cubed will be equal to the sum of this and this. So that will give us 19601. Then minus, so we know negative plus negative, that will give us negative minus, right? So this is just like the negative form of the sum of 10404 root 2 and 3456 root 2. So that will give us negative 13860 root 2, right? So here we have the value, and this is for x to the power of 12, which we are asked to calculate. So therefore, we have come to the end of today's video, that root 2 minus 1 to the power of 12 without calculator is equal to 19601 minus 13860 root 2. And this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.